Hi, and welcome back. Today's video is going to be a little bit different because I'm going to be unboxing some stamps that I purchased from a company called Unity Stamp Company, where they make their own stamps uniquely designed on the red rubber. And I will be making some cards with these, so I wanted to show you what I got. The first set is titled Together in This. It's beautifully detailed, and this will work really well for sympathy cards or when someone is going through a difficult time. And this next one is called Wilbur. And I just love the little piggy with all the little expressions on there. And for those of you who are familiar with who Wilbur is, he is the main character in Charlotte's Web, one of my favorite books. And Unity was kind enough to send a little gift that I can use on my projects. And so I don't know what's in it, so I'm going to be able to share that with you right now. There's a little card here with all of the information from the company itself, as well as a scan code that will guide you to videos. And looks like they sent me some nice little goodies here. I have cardstock that I can use in several different colors. And I have some tags along with some acetate images. It's a pretty flower there and also a little leaf sprig, which I'm loving. And I think that's very kind of them to do that. Let's see if there's anything else in there. And they did send me a cute little heart that I can use as embellishment for my cards. That's really cool. So I'm looking forward to using these two stamp sets in the future. I will make videos with them. I'll show you how they work. And thank you for joining me today. Have a blessed day, and I'll see you next time.